Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to customize garage easily in Forza Horizon 6. The best way to customize a garage is by using community garage layout, and to find the community garage we need to go to customizable garage. Inside it select browse and manage. After that go to browse community garages. Then you'll see all of the layouts creators have uploaded on the community. From here you can just download any of the garage you want. For that press A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation, and then you can download the layout pretty easily like this. And also if you want to switch the category, for that just press R1 or RB. Then you can find featured garages, best of the month, popular, and so on. But make sure that every garage costs you some credits. Like this garage cost me around 140 grand credits. This one is free. You can just pretty easily use this garage in your game. And to use any of the garage, just go back from here, then go to manage garages. Under it will show you all of the garage layouts you have downloaded. So this one is 55,000. If I want to use it, then just select it like this. I can't use it because I don't have enough display car slots, and in order to get display car slots you need to purchase more houses which comes with display car slots. So this is the way. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.